Hi guys, welcome back to Sister Travels. Today I am going to reveal our new dog's name and I'm going to give an update on her. First I gotta find her. Where are you? Okay guys, here she is. Alright, I know I teased the fact like that she had a Disney name, and her name is kind of Disney. We decided to name her Bella, like Lady in the Tramp, Bella Notte.
Oh, this is the night, it's a beautiful night, and we call it Bella Notte.
So my sister came up with the name because we found her on the side of a restaurant, so she decided to name her Bella for Bella Notte because that's our favorite song in that whole movie. Yeah? Do you like your name? Okay, so an update for Bella. She is doing really great here. I mean, there's little things that she could probably work on that we could probably get her out of, but other than that, she's actually a really great dog. I know that before she had a little problem with getting along with the other dogs because her temperament was kind of bad, but now she's very friendly with them. Like they'll play a lot. That was really surprising that she will actually play with Latte. And she'll play with Lolly. She loves Lolly. Her and Lolly are like this. They're like sisters already. She's pretty good on a leash. She does get tangled up really fast though, but other than she is really great on a leash. She hasn't had any potty accidents. She had a few when like the first few days when we had her, but she hasn't had any recently. There has been a chewing situation going on. She did chew up something of my mom's this morning. Yeah. But Bella is really great. I think she loves her name too. She already knows her name. Don't you? You're a smart dog, huh? Are you a smart dog? Are you a smart dog? Yeah. When we first got her, she was walking with like a limp. And I was like, uh-oh, this dog is injured. We need to get her some medical help. So when when she was limping, it was like around the weekend. So the vet hospitals and stuff, they weren't open. But she doesn't limp anymore. She's like completely recovered. She'll run and jump, and she'll jump like on things and then jump off of them, and she's fine. It was this leg right here. She was limping, but she's fine now. And then her eye was a little bit swollen and then it went down. I was nervous about her eye because it was red and it was like puffy, like it was like partially open, and I was like nervous because I thought she had like an eye infection. I didn't want it to like spread to the other dogs or us. But then it went down. I think it was like an injury. Like there was no cuts and like she didn't show any bleeding. There wasn't any like, pus or anything. But it looked like it was injured. Like if she was like a person, she would have like a black eye or whatever. I can't figure out how that would have happened to her because we have no idea. But the only thing I could think of is that someone must have kicked her or something like that. That's the only thing I could think of. But I'm not really sure. I hope that didn't happen. But there are some cruel people out here, so they could have done something to the dog. And also she had a scar right here in her inner leg. I don't know, thigh. Yeah, she had a scar right here in her inner thigh, and it's healed up pretty good. And this is the same leg that she was limping on, so. But she doesn't feel any pain. I'm squeezing. She doesn't feel anything. She's made an outstanding recovery, right? Anyways, we love this little dog. We're still fostering her. We haven't, I know what I said we were keeping her, but we're not really sure if we still are going to keep her. If we find someone that wants a dog, and they want her, that will be great because she's a great dog. Well, we will really miss her though, right? Right? Alright, that's all, guys. Make sure to comment and subscribe, and make sure to like the video and hit the notification bell so you could hear about more videos, right? So you could get access to new videos. Can you say bye? Can you say bye? Say bye!